gather round the virtual space. Coffee mugs and sleepy face. Johnny's camera's on the blink. Sarah's dog won't stop the bark. Mike just needs another minute to find that missing syntax mark.
Yesterday I fixed the login. Today I'll tackle that weird bug. But my cat walked on the keyboard. Now the test suite's in attack.
Stand up, don't sit down. 3 questions spinning round. What I did and what I'll do. Blockers, just a few. 15 minutes, keep it tight till we vanish out of sight.
Jenny sharing her metrics while her toddler draws on walls.
Dave's on mute, but we see clearly.
He's still fixing merge conflicts.
Notification dings. Sighs in unison.
Agile anthem sings.
Stand up, don't sit down. 3 questions spinning around. What I did and what I'll do. Blockers, just a few. 15 minutes, keep it tight till we vanish out of sight. Jim just raised the blocker flag. Servers down, it's such a drag. We're swarming in the parking lot. After stand up, give a shot. Retro's coming, bring your notes about these 2 long status quotes. Jira tickets calling now. Scrum board's waiting anyhow. Daily rhythm team in sync till tomorrow's